This is what you call MySpace.
Stop, man. No, my friend, her phone broke, so I can't talk to her over the phone.
That's always the excuse, the phone's broke.
No, really, she broke her phone.
I'm recording her on the thing I'm putting on YouTube. Sing your song. I'm a MySpace freak. Sing it.
I'll say so.
This little boy finna get beat up real bad for chewing and biting on me. And that's, all right. He's so bad and fat and bad and fat. And he's spitting. This how babies get beat up, bruh. Look at the MySpace freak. Hello, people.
I ain't about that thing, her phone broke. I'm supposed to see if she broke it. She threw it and broke it.
Okay, if she broke, what's her name?
Tawani.
Tell Tawani her name just got put on YouTube.
Oh, crap. All right.
Say it's gonna be on YouTube in about 2 minutes. Say, cause my cousin's crazy. She recorded me and my fingertips numb. Tell her your fingertips numb. And you don't know why. What's the matter with you, Daddy? Is you boo-boo? You boo-booing? That's why your booty stink.